Back to school season is here. Here's what you need to know to use Amazon ad campaigns and get the most out of Amazon's second biggest shopping season behind the winter holidays from November through December. Above all, everything related to parents, their children, and school is likely to get a lot more impressions than usual during back to school. For example, backpacks, snacks, water bottles, educational books, camping or sports equipments for clubs, and all sorts of other things for schools and parents. But it's not just these items. All products could see an increase in impressions because there's simply more traffic on the platform from mid-August to mid-September. You will likely therefore see an increase in sales, and if you've been advertising on Amazon for several years, maybe you've noticed this in previous years. However, most advertisers don't actively take advantage of this time, but simply let it pass them by. To prevent this from happening again this year, here are a few strategic considerations to help you get more sales out of back to school and come out of it with an even higher ranking so you're ideally prepared for Q4. Use what has already worked. If you look at your Amazon Ads dashboard from last year and the year before, you will probably see an increase in sales. Look especially at mid-August to mid-September so you can see how back to school has influenced your sales last year, even if you were not aware of this season back then. Analyze these past results and find out which keywords have worked particularly well so you can focus on them this year. Another point worth considering, use this time to build a higher ranking for Q4. As mentioned above, you can improve your ranking and rank higher thanks to the increased traffic during back to school. A practical strategy for this is to increase your bids for the top of search bar. For example, if you normally bid 0.80, you can set your bid to double that for the top of search results. Since the top of search results get the most clicks, you have a lot of potential to sell high volumes. This signals to the Amazon algorithm that it should rank you higher organically. And this helps you improve your rankings. I mainly do this for sponsored product campaigns on Amazon ads, so on keywords and product ads, but you can also do it for sponsored brand video ads. It works exactly the same there. If you implement all these strategies, you can make the most out of the coming weeks to build your ranking for Q4 and then earn big in October, November, and December. If you learned something new in this video, like it, subscribe, and instead of forgetting everything in 5 minutes, click on the first link in the description. There you will find an information page from Amazon ads about back to school season. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.